Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable advanced gyro options in Fortnite on iOS. Click here on your profile icon, then click on Settings, Touch and Motion, Gyro Options, and slide down to Advanced Gyro Options. And when you enable them, you have many different options to adjust. Advanced gyro sensitivity here, advanced gyro orientation, advanced gyro filters, and advanced gyro options here. You can adjust all of them, then click on apply and click here to exit settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.